In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change the horizontal position of your pedals that come with your G920 or G29 wheel. This should also work with the pedals that come with the G923, as they seem to have the same mounting system, but I cannot be absolutely sure as I do not have this set of pedals. Now let's cut the BS and get straight into it. The only thing you're going to need for this is a number 2 Allen key. All you need to do is take the 2 long bolts out of the pedal, and be aware that the pedal is actually 2 different pieces, the plastic piece and the metal piece is actually the pedal, so don't be worried if those come apart. And then once those come out, all we're going to need to do is shift it over to which position you want it in. We can see that there's 3 different mounting positions, to slightly to the left, the middle, which is default, or slightly to the right. Line the pedal up to the screw holes where you want the pedal to be and screw it back in, and you're done. And that's all there is to it. I'll put a few pictures to show you how far it moves the pedals, but whether you want to make it easier to heel toe, or you just like to have all the pedals close together like a freak, this allows you to do that. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Like the video if you did find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.